comes up with my clients a lot. And so when you talk about building a team, building a culture, all moving in the same direction, you've done that at a pretty massive scale. Sounds like several times. And so, can you maybe offer some advice to folks that are listening that are like, how do I build a team? Maybe not to that scale, but how do I build a team that is all marching in the direction that I need them to be going in?
Yeah, I think some of the hallmarks of that, Kale, it's a great because you can apply it to whether you're leading a group that's repairing vehicles or you're leading a group that's finding the next great thing in medicine. Um, Listening is a big part of communication. 80% of it is listening. And I think also not going back to how you did it as opposed to putting yourself in the present in terms of listening to what struggles do they have? What struggles does this generation have? Where are the hot points with them? To say, this is the way I used to do it back in the days of the Roman Empire, that doesn't resonate well, especially for building a team. And consequently, I think really the hallmarks is listen, put yourself in their shoes, put yourself in the perspective of the team members that you're dealing with, and try to address what their needs are and be less concerned about what your needs are. And I think when you develop that type of rapport, you can accomplish really great things in terms of building a team, because then you want to create a safe environment when they're together and you're talking about things. You don't want them to say things to you that you will yes to. You don't want to be yes men. You want them to speak their minds. You want them to share and contribute to the conversation on what they're thinking. And they also want to make sure that you validate the contributions that they make. Maybe the team doesn't go in that direction, which is fine, but you validate what they're saying. And I think those are the hallmarks of what I found, at least work for me, that have been able to build teams and let them really become quite creative.